Hello students, welcome back. In this video, we are going to discuss about two members. One is aluminium chloride, another one is alums. The first member is aluminium chloride. Now the preparation of aluminium chloride. When aluminium metal or aluminium hydroxide is treated with hydrochloric acid, aluminium trichloride is formed. The reaction mixture is evaporated to obtain hydrated aluminium chloride. See the reaction, this is aluminium. When it reacts with hydrochloric acid, we are getting aluminium chloride. So this is one preparation. Another preparation is aluminium hydroxide with hydrochloric acid. So we are getting aluminium chloride. Now the second method is McAfee process. In this process, aluminium chloride is obtained by heating a mixture of alumina. The formula is Al2O3 and coke is carbon in a current of chlorine. We will see the reaction. Al2O3, this is alumina, this is carbon, it is called coke. When it is mixed with a current of chlorine Cl2, we are getting aluminium chloride. So alumina, coke and chlorine, we are getting aluminium chloride. Next method is industrial scale preparation. It is prepared by chlorinating aluminium around 1000 Kelvin. See the reaction. This is aluminium. When it is mixed with chlorine Cl2, it is called chlorinated aluminium. When it is heated around 1000 Kelvin, we are getting aluminium chloride. So chlorinated aluminium, when it is heated around 1000 Kelvin, we are getting aluminium chloride. Properties of aluminium chloride. Anhydrous aluminium chloride is a colourless hygroscopic substance. Hygroscopic, it means tending to absorb moisture from the air. See the picture. This is commonly used hygroscopic substance. This you might have seen from the newly packed home appliance boxes. The chemical properties. The first one is aqueous solution of aluminium chloride is acidic in nature. It is also produces hydrogen chloride fumes in moist air. Moist air means water. See the reaction. This is aluminium chloride. When it react with moisture, moisture here we are representing by H2O, that means water. We are getting aluminium hydroxide AlOH thrice plus hydrochloric acid HCl. Hope you understood the reaction. Second property is with hydroxide, it forms aluminium hydroxide. See the equation. This is aluminium chloride AlCl3 plus NH4OH, this is ammonium hydroxide. We will get aluminium hydroxide AlOH3 plus NH4Cl, that is ammonium chloride. Third property is with excess of sodium hydroxide, it produces metal aluminate. See the reaction. Aluminium chloride AlCl3, excess of sodium hydroxide NaOH, we are getting meta aluminate. Here we are getting sodium aluminate and plus water plus sodium chloride. Number 4, it behaves like Lewis acid and it forms addition compounds with ammonia, phosphine and carbonyl chloride. Example AlCl3 6NH3. Now uses of aluminium chloride. See, aluminium chloride is used as a catalyst in Friedels Crafts reaction. This Friedels Crafts reaction you studied in last year. Second use in the manufacture of petrol by cracking the mineral oils. See the picture, this is the cracking of mineral oil. Here aluminium chloride used. Third use as the catalyst in the manufacture of dyes, drugs and perfumes. See the picture, this is dyes for coloring of many clothes. Then this is drugs. Then third use, that is perfumes. Perfumes you know very well. Now the second member is alums. The name alum is given to the double salt of potassium aluminium sulphate, that is K2SO4 Al2SO4 thrice dot 24H2O. Nowadays it is used for the double salt with M dash and M double dash. Here M dash valency plus 1, M double dash valency plus 3. Where M dash is univalent, that means plus 1 metal ion or NH4 plus and M double dash is trivalent metal ion. Examples. First example, potash alums, that is K2SO4.Al2SO4 thrice dot 24 H2O. This is potash alum. Second example, sodium alum, Na2SO4.Al2SO4 thrice dot 24 H2O. Then third example, that is ammonium alum, NH4 twice SO4 dot Al2SO4 thrice dot 24 H2O. Chrome alum, K2SO4, then Cr2 SO4 thrice dot 24 H2O. Alum in general, they are more soluble in hot water than in cold water, and the solutions, they exhibit the properties of the constituent ions. So what ions are present, that property you will get. Now preparation of alums. The alunite or the alum stone is a naturally occurring form, and it is, the formula is given, you can see K2SO4. When alum stone is treated with excess of sulphuric acid, the aluminium hydroxide is converted to aluminium sulphate. See the reaction. This is the formula of alum stone. When it reacts with excess of sulphuric acid, it will be converted into aluminium sulphate, Al2SO4 thrice. Then a calculated quantity of potassium sulphate is added to the solution, is crystallized to generate potash alum. See the reaction. So this potassium sulphate, this is the calculated quantity. You are adding aluminium sulphate, you got from the previous reactions. So we are getting potash alum. This is the potash alum formula. Finally, it is purified by recrystallization. Now properties of alums. Potash alum is a white crystalline solid. It is soluble in water and insoluble in alcohol. Second, the aqueous solution is acidic due to the hydrolysis of aluminium sulphate, and it melts at 365 Kelvin. At 475 Kelvin, it loses water, and finally it is called as burnt alum. Then when it heat to red hot, it decomposes into potassium sulphate, alumina and sulfur trioxide. See, this is potash alum. When it heat around 500 Kelvin, it decomposes, that means it liberates water. Then again, when it heat to red hot, it is producing potassium sulphate, that is K2SO4, then alumina Al2O3, then sulfur trioxide SO3. Next reaction is potash alum forms aluminium hydroxide when treated with ammonium hydroxide. See, this is potash alums. When it reacts with ammonium hydroxide, that is NH4OH, we are getting aluminium hydroxide, that is AlOH thrice. Hope you understood all the reactions. Now uses of alum. First use, it is mainly used for the purification of water. Watch the video clip. You can understand how alum helps the purification of water.
Why is alum added to water? Aha! Because water does not like to be alone. It wants somebody's company. Nah. Alum is added to purify water. Alum is aluminium sulphate. It acts as a coagulant. A coagulant attracts and binds with extremely fine and small particles to form a large particle. Ew, I won't use it. But why? Because it will attract all small insects and make a large insect. Oh, you're just unbelievable. When a solution of alum is added to impure water, it attracts and binds with contaminants and fine suspended particles of mud, dirt, etc. to form large particles. Being large, these particles can be removed by filtration, or when they settle down due to gravity, they can be removed through decantation, giving us pure water.
Now, second use. It is mainly used for waterproofing and used in textile industries. Third use, for dyeing paper and leather turning industries. Normally, turning, it means a process which permanently alters the protein structure of skin, making it more durable and less susceptible to decomposition, and also possibly coloring it. இப்போ தமிழில் வந்து இதை வந்து பதப்படுத்துறதுன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க. தோலை வந்து நம்ம யூஸுக்கு தகுந்த மாதிரி மாற்றுறது, அதான் என்னது tanning. See the picture, this is the example of tanning. And fourth use, it is mainly used for styptic agent to arrest bleeding. To arrest minor bleeding we are using this alum. See, this is styptic pencil, then styptic powder. Watch the video clip, you can understand.
But I reopened a cut here and here from my beard shave the other day, and thought this is a great opportunity to show you how to use a styptic pencil. You don't have to do the whole thing where you put toilet paper on it. That looks goofy. A styptic pencil works just great. So this is basically, I believe, potassium, alum, and some wax or something like that. It doesn't feel waxy, but I think on the ingredients, that's what it said was in here. So what this does is basically clots the blood and stops it from bleeding. So what you do is you run it under some water or dip it in some water if you have a sink full of water, and then apply it to the affected areas. Okay. Get rid. And it does sting. I'm not going to lie to you. It stings. I mean, I would guess. Just make sure I'm covering all my bases here. Looks like I got myself on my neck too. Might as well while I have it out. Now they do have alum blocks as well, but I don't know what it is. They don't work as well at stopping bleeding, in my opinion, as the styptic pencils. So that's all you do. I usually let it dry, and then I rinse it off. And as you can see, they're not bleeding anymore. Especially this one. This one was bleeding the most. It's gone. So I'll let that dry. I'll rinse it off with some cold water, and I'll be done. So thank you for tuning in, and hope you have a wonderful.
Okay guys, hope you understood today's lesson. If you have any doubt or any queries, you can contact me. So thank you very much.